Hi guys, paper 1 higher, question 16. The expression x squared minus 8x plus 6 can be written in the form x minus p all squared plus q for all values of x. Find the value of p and q. This is completing the square. That's the format. So remember that when we did quadratics? Completing the square. So what we do is we start off with our x squared minus 8x plus 6. You look at this value here, the b term, and you halve it. So it's x minus 4. Okay, we then put that into brackets and we square it. We then, whatever this 4 is, we square that, which is 16, and we take that away. And then we need to not ignore this plus 6, so we keep that over there. We then simplify this, so we've got x minus 4 squared minus 16 add 6 is minus 10. And now we've got it into the format that we had there. All right. Completing the square is quite tough. I do remember spending a bit of time on that. But the main things to remember is you halve that value, 4, and then because if you expanded that bracket, okay, if you expanded x minus 4 squared, x minus 4 times x minus 4, you end up with x squared minus 8x, which is great because that's the same as what we wanted. But because you do negative 4 times negative 4, you'd also gain 16. That's why we then have to do that little minus 16 after to eliminate that plus 16. Anyway, our actual we're into the position here where we can give it an answer. So p must equal 4 because in the format it's minus p and it's minus 4. So p is 4 and q is equal to, it says plus q and q is minus 10. Part B, the graph has a minimum point. Write down the coordinates. Now this is just using your answer that you had from part A. So your minimum point is the smallest possible value you could get from this graph. Okay, and the way you could do that is, what would x have to be to get the smallest possible number here? Well, the smallest possible number here would be if x is 4. Okay, because you're squaring it. The smallest number when you square something is 0. So 4 take away 4 is 0. 0 squared would be 0. So x is 4. And then the y, if x is 4, what would it end up being as an output? 4 take away 4 is 0. 0 take away 10, it would be minus 10. So the answer would be 4 minus 10. Okay. Or a quick way to do it is find out what the opposite of what's in the brackets in this particular case, and then the number on the outside is usually your y value. Okay. All right. Hopefully that's nice and straightforward. Quite a tough question though, actually. That one and the Venn diagram question are tough.